So this is the last assignment, assignment 23. Which of the following is true regarding a clinical trial? It is mandatory to register the trial under clinical trial registries of India after completing it. That is false. Before starting, you have to register. Ethical issues are considerably low in clinical trials. That is also false. There are plenty of ethical issues. C. Informed consent is a must for recruiting study participant in a clinical trial. So C is correct. Altering the original data to obtain a statistically significant result by a researcher is known as, so that is falsification. You have a data and you are manipulating it, so that is falsification. Data ഒന്നും ഇല്ല, you are cooking a story from thin air എന്ന് പറയുന്ന, that is fabrication. നിങ്ങൾ സ്റ്റഡിയേ ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല എന്നിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ സ്റ്റഡി ചെയ്തു എന്നിട്ട് ഒരു പേപ്പർ പബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ് ആസ് ഫാബ്രിക്കേഷൻ. ഫോൾസിഫിക്കേഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സ്റ്റഡി ചെയ്തു പക്ഷേ നിങ്ങൾ വാല്യൂസ് കുറച്ച് അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും മാറ്റി സാമ്പിൾ സൈസ് കുറച്ച് കൂട്ടി to make it statistically significant. That is falsification. All of the following help in reducing the ethical issues associated with research publication except obtaining the Institutional Ethics Committee permission. C. Obtaining permission from the copyright holder to reproduce a figure. That is also correct. Declaring familial relationship between author and CEO of the funding agency. That is what do you tell? So all these should be done. Including a guest author to improve the acceptance of the manuscript. That is not ethical. So a famous person include ചെയ്താൽ then there's an increased chance of getting that article published. So that is not true. So declaring familial relationship, that is conflict of interest. That can be familial, social or financial. So whatever it is, you have to declare all those. Which of the following is incorrect about publishing research findings? So A. Publication often helps in career progression and academic promotion. That is true. B. It's a way to communicate research findings with the peer groups. That is also true. Then it defines research gaps. D. That is also true. C. The conflicts of interest can be suppressed as it has implication in the study findings. That is wrong. Conflicts of interest have to be mentioned. That is, it is up to the reader to make a decision on how much influence that all those financial or social or what do you tell, all those have an implication in the study finding. That should be left to the readers. 5. State whether true or false. The first author is mostly responsible for addressing the comments received from the reviewers of the journal. It is a corresponding author. So first author എന്നുള്ളത് false ആണ്. Submitting a manuscript to more than one journal at the same time is known as simultaneous publication. Which of the following is not a criterion for authorship? A. Conceptualizing the original study. So that is correct. It's a criteria for drafting the manuscript, agreeing to contribute during peer review process. D. Being departmental head. That is not a criterion for authorship. 8. A postgraduate in a medical college submitted a proposal to ethics committee of the institute. The committee found that the proposal is a near copy of the earlier proposal from the same department. This action of the PG can be best termed as, that is plagiarism. That is copying is called as plagiarization. State whether true or false. Unpublished work must be acknowledged in a manuscript. It is true. Publish ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിലും like you have to mention, acknowledge that their work. 10. Direct or indirect influence of which of the following aspect is considered as a conflict of interest? There is you may be getting a financial support from a sponsor, and that person has that is conducting that study or drug trial. Personal, or you may be related to the CEO of the drug trial company or the drug company. So that is a personal. Social, uh, s- um, you may have some social obligation to that particular person. So all these are called as conflict of interest. So D is the answer. So that is the end of assignment 23.